Most people are using ChatGPT completely wrong. They ask basic questions and get basic results. But today, I show you 7 powerful ChatGPT tricks that can actually help you make money, even if you're starting from zero. And trust me, trick number 3 alone can save you hours of work. Right now, 90% of people are just typing random prompts like, write me something, or give me ideas. That's not how you win with AI. The real money is in how you use ChatGPT, not just that you use it. The 7 tricks. Trick number 1. Role prompting. Instead of asking normal questions, assign ChatGPT a role. Example: act as a professional copywriter and write a high converting ad for a product. This instantly upgrades the quality. You can use this to sell services on Fiverr or Upwork. Trick number 2. Prompt chaining. Don't stop at one prompt. Build a chain. Step 1. Ask for ideas. Step 2. Pick one. Step 3. Ask for full content. Step 4. Ask for improvements. This is how professionals use AI, not beginners. Trick number 3. Money prompt. Most important. Here's a powerful one. Give me 5 beginner-friendly ways to make money online using AI and include step-by-step actions. This gives you actual income ideas you can execute immediately. This is how people are starting online businesses with $0. Trick number 4. Content repurposing. Take one idea and turn it into multiple pieces of content. Example: YouTube script, TikTok clips, blog post, Twitter thread. One idea equals 5 platforms equals more reach equals more money. Trick number 5. YouTube automation script. Ask ChatGPT. Write a viral YouTube script on topic with a strong hook and storytelling. You can start a faceless YouTube channel, monetize with ads plus affiliate links. Trick number 6. AI plus tools combo. Don't use ChatGPT alone. Combine it with tools. ChatGPT script, Canva design, CapCut editing. This turns you into a full content creator without skills. Trick number 7. Simple automation idea. Use ChatGPT to build small systems. Example: daily social media posts, email content, product descriptions. Businesses pay for this, and you can do it in minutes. If you use even 2 of these tricks, you're already ahead of 90% of people using AI right now. So don't just watch, start using them today. And if you want more AI income strategies, subscribe now, because the opportunity in 2026 is just getting started. Comment AI if you want me to share the exact prompts I use. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.